Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what message do the cards have for you all today, and the Ace of Cups came through. And this is all about new love, dive in, trust. So this has given you the green light to whatever's going on in your life. Just dive in, just trust, okay? And when I say new love, it doesn't necessarily mean a relationship. It could be a new job, it could be a hobby, it could be a passion, it could be a new business. Whatever it is, you feel a great love for it, like you're on that love frequency of it. And so, this card is saying it's a new love. Dive into it and trust that all will be okay, and trust the universe and trust yourself, more to the point. Okay, and trust your inner knowing and inner guidance that you are on the right path with whatever it is that you are diving into to love and enjoy. Alrighty, so like I said, new love, dive in, trust, and I just see a real openness around this message that just whatever you're, doing in your life right now, just be open and allowing to receive it all to come in. And trust that this is a part of your journey. Alrighty, if you like the video, the reading, make sure you like it so I know to bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification because then you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And let me know, has this resonated? And let me know, is there something that this message is speaking to for you? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. Alrighty, see ya.